Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever heard Germans say something like, Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof, and thought, what does that even mean? Well, in today's video, we're diving into 5 must-know German idioms. That'll make you sound like a native speaker. These expressions are quirky, fun, and super common in everyday conversations. So, if you're ready to level up your German, stick around. Let's get started. Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. I don't understand anything. Literally, I only hear train station. Da steppt der Bär. It's a lively and fun situation. Literally, here the bear dances. Jetzt mal Butter bei die Fische. Let's speak frankly now. Literally, now butter with the fish. Das ist ein Katzensprung. It's very close. Literally, it's a cat's leap. Ich bin fix und fertig. I'm completely exhausted. Literally, I'm ready and finished. And that's a wrap. Now you know these 5 awesome German idioms. Try using them in your next conversation and surprise your German friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next lesson. Let us know in the comments. Which idiom is your favorite? Thanks for watching, and remember, learning German doesn't have to be boring. It can be a Bärenparty. Bears Party. Tschüss.